Hey everybody, this is Dane. I just want to walk through a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home by Clayton from the True Home Factory. This is a really nice, large living area in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath called the Glory. And I'll take you back to the primary bedroom here. And you can see nice, big, large, open living plan. Got the new cabinets, new stove, new fridge. Let's go back in here. And it was cold, 100 degrees outside with the humidity here in Oklahoma, and it was nice and cold, so that means you're going to be real comfortable in the cool in the summer and warm in the winter, because this home is so well insulated. So this is one of the best values you can get. You can get it in a 3-bedroom. They also make a model in a 4-bedroom. And if you go up on the multi-section, you can get one in a 5-bedroom, but this is a single section home, about 1,000 square feet, with 2 full bathrooms. It's one of the most affordable homes, one of the top sellers nationwide. It's a great home, all solid service floors. And on this bedroom on the end, big window, nice sized closet, lots of outlets in your room here. This is a great home if you're downsizing. I noticed we've had a lot of people moving to Oklahoma from California and up north where it's cold in Michigan and Minnesota and Wisconsin. They tell me they love downsizing and getting a home from us that's super energy efficient, so they don't have to worry about a big old electric bill in the summertime. It's going to be real comfortable and easy to keep cool in the summer and easy to keep warm in the winter. And if you want to go off grid, it's already pre-wired. So this is the 3-bedroom, 2-bath Glory. We'll go outside. Okay everybody, we're looking at the outside of the 3-bedroom, 2-bath Glory. It's a True Home by Clayton Homes. Do a little quick walk around here. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,000 square feet. I know a lot of folks want to do a walk around outside, so we're doing that. Now here in Oklahoma, it gets a little bit windy. We got a breeze today, which is kind of nice on a hot day. Just want to do the quick walk around so you can see this one. You got your outlet on the front. This one comes with the double pane argon gas windows. Super energy efficient. Got your water spigot out back by the back door. Again, if you're looking to downsize, this is a great option. Check out some of our other videos. We're going to be showing you some other options. And that's it.